Many of you are stressed over this thing that you have not filled law admission form for IP University. So what will happen now, whether you will be eligible to get admission in your favorite law courses or not? So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So in today's video we are going to discuss about this problem faced by many of you, because I have got so many comments and you have told me that you are really worried about this thing, that in the admission form there was no such option for law and all. So I think there is not much to worry about that. Watch this video till last, because I'm going to share very important information with all of you and it is going to prove very useful. So if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do it fast, because every day I am bringing these useful videos for all of you. So now in my previous video I have told you about the admission process of IP University BA LLB and BBA LLB. So first of all, actually I have told you that this admission process will begin when the CLAT results will be announced, and students who have applied for admission to the undergraduate law program will be eligible for this admission process. Now the problem is that many of you have not applied for admission to the undergraduate law program. So now you are getting worried ki what will happen and what will not happen. So here I want to tell you that you just check out this video till last, because I'm going to give answer to all your queries asked in the comment box. So now all of you know that the answer key for CLAT has been released, and all of you know about your marks also. So result of CLAT will be announced, and after that what you will have to do, that you have to fill, means you have to visit the official website of IP. No, this thing you had to do earlier actually. Actually, let me tell you that there is a separate admission form for law courses which you have skipped. Means your problem is that you have not filled this application for IPU LLB 2020, right? So you have skipped this process. So now you are thinking whether you have to participate in the counseling round or not, whether you will be eligible for counseling or not. So let us see, actually after your CLAT result will be announced, you will have to register yourself and you will have to pay the counseling fee. So here the question is that you have not applied for admission process earlier, you have not filled that admission form earlier, so you have to go for counseling round or not. So actually you have to go for that. There is not much to worry about that. So here one more added information I want to give you, that for these courses like LLB, BA LLB and BBA LLB, there will be online counseling. So you should know this thing also. So now we will see what to do if you have not filled your admission form for this law courses separately and now the counseling has started. So actually let me tell you what you have to do. That it's very simple, that for your counseling you have to pay 1000 fee, and earlier means for admission form you had to fill 1200. So if you have not filled this 1200, now you will have to pay 2200 fee. So this is the only thing which you have to do. And you must be thinking ki why am I telling this thing, because earlier means in MBA and in BTech also IP University has done the same thing. This facility has been provided for those who did not fill their admission forms earlier. So we are very much sure that for these law courses also the same thing will be done. Means now you will have to pay 1000 rupees for your online counseling fee and 1200 for those candidates who have not filled online application form earlier. So in this way you can be relaxed now. So I want you all to share this video with others and like this video.